There's only death, but in the cinders a spark remains, a world rebuilt from burning chains. This is the last night of Bergoglia. Fire crowns the broken utopia. Dragons reign, or the engines rise. Fate is written in burning skies. Ashes to empire, empire to dust. In blood and iron we place our trust. From the ruin the dawn is born. After the war, after the storm. Smoke fades slow, the silence stays. Echoes of fire in forgotten days. Bergoglia sleeps beneath the scar. A world remade by the Great War.
For the Flat Empire! For Steam!